Okay, let's get straight to the point on the NEEWER 700W Softbox kit. Look at this side-by-side comparison. This is what your shot looks like with basic room lighting, and this is the professional depth you get with this kit. This 2-pack features true UL certified LED bulbs that screw directly into standard E26 sockets. They pull minimal power but give you a massive 700-watt equivalent output of pure, clean daylight without running hot like old halogen bulbs. Look at the diffusion. The 24 by 24 inch softbox utilizes a highly refractive nylon interior that bounces the light through an outer diffuser sheet, completely softening harsh shadows on your subject. The aluminum alloy stands are surprisingly stable and extend smoothly. The mounting head also tilts a full 210 degrees, letting you angle the light completely overhead for top-down flat lays or macro desk shots. If you need an affordable, cool-running continuous lighting kit to instantly clean up your studio or product photos, this setup delivers. Highly recommended.